Hello everyone, I'm going to hours update on the long range on February 14th, 2024. It's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy it if you have a soulmate or just a friend or if you have family. Go out and have a nice time, a meal for example, and enjoy the day. And because I was sick over the weekend, I obviously couldn't do the EC long range forecast. So today I will make up for that by doing it for you right now. So as a special, starting with week one, that is Monday, February 19th to Monday, February 26th. That's next week. So the pressure anomaly is showing low pressure to our north, shown by blue colours, and then to our south and southwest, we'll have high pressure, shown by those orange colours. That's the Azores high right here. And that means that we should be dragging in a sometimes chilly westerly flow, getting colder towards the end of the week especially. But the temperature anomaly is above average by about 2 degrees. But yes, it'll be very mild, especially at the start of the week, possibly even spring-like for a time. But we do see the cooler temperatures moving from Canada eastwards over the Atlantic, and the rainfall anomaly is above average in those green shades. Week 2 is February 26th to March 4th. This one changes a lot. We see a trough over us and to our east, shown by blue colours here, and a ridge to our west from the Azores up towards the Atlantic and towards Greenland. And that means that we should be dragging in quite a cold northerly flow, and that low might provide some potential for winteriness at the end of winter and start of spring. So here is the temperature anomaly for week 2. So that goes colder, well at least it goes down to neutral, but the colder temperatures do start to push in from the north. But I'd say that should be cold. And then the week 2 precip anomaly, wetter to our south and southeast, and drier to our northwest. So you'd think that, that's low pressure here, there's high pressure up here. That should be dragging in quite a cold northerly or northeasterly flow. So week 3 is Monday, March 4th to Monday, March 11th. This one could also be quite cold. A trough over the country right here, these blue shades, slap bang over Ireland and the UK, and then this ridge to our west towards Canada, also towards Greenland as well, and then this big ridge to our east from Eastern Europe into Russia and the Middle East. So the temperature anomaly for week 3 is around average, possibly getting a bit milder to our south, and then the precip anomaly is above average. Could be quite chilly, especially in the west and north, so might be wintry. It's March, so as often as ever, you might get a mild winter, but once you hit March, it goes wintry. So week 4 is Monday 11th of March to Monday 18th of March. This one is a bit mysterious. We have a ridge towards Canada and Greenland, a ridge towards Russia, Middle East into Eastern Europe, and then this big area of white from the Azores, the Atlantic, into Europe. That would probably be where the storm track is, and the jet stream down here somewhere. So the temperature anomaly for week 4 is above average around us, but really over Ireland it's about around average really, possibly a touch above. That might be going a bit more unsettled there. And the precip anomaly, well actually it's showing hints of it being dry to our north and hints of wetter weather to our south. You'd think that that might be still a southerly tracking jet stream here, and then the lows are over Iberia, Azores, Europe, blocking towards Greenland, Iceland, and the Atlantic. That might be cold, I don't know. That was a bit mysterious. So week 5 is Monday, March 18th to Monday, March 25th. This one is probably unsettled. So we see a blocking feature towards Iceland, Greenland, and Canada. We see also a ridge from the Mediterranean into Southern Europe, the Balkans, off into Middle East, and over Africa. We see these two little blue splotches, one over Western Russia here, and one over the Azores, well, near the Azores. This general white area here is likely to be where the storm track is, and the jet stream is somewhere down there from like Canary Islands through Iberia up into Europe, like here. So that's probably quite an unsettled week. With the blocking here, we might have cold potential, but this low will try and feed in the milder air from southwest. The temperature anomaly for week 5 is above average by about 1 degree, and the precip anomaly is above average to our south, into, like, again, Azores, Atlantic, Iberia, off into Europe, through here, and then it's drier to our north. That might have cold potential, but will also risk throwing up the mild winds from southwest. So battle lines drawn possibly into March. So after we get this week out of the way, we could be in for a big pattern change into the end of February, start of March, going colder. Then beyond that, we might be in the case where we threaten to pull in the cold northerly winds, but at the same time there'll be a front around here through the country, and behind that to our south we'll be threatening to pull in the mild winds. So battle lines drawn into March possibly with this particular update. Well, again, just to say, I mean, it's obviously true, but that it's a long range forecast, and therefore is not reliable by any means. You know how unreliable these charts can be, but either way, that's what this update is showing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy your Valentine's Day, and bye for now.